What does a narcissist mean when they say, "I like you"? In a codependent relationship, there is one partner that depends on the other for recognition and also seeks their worth in that other individual. Regrettably, most codependent connections entail one person that is trying to the other for value. At the same time, the various other person is a narcissist who only appreciates meeting their requirements and also utilizes their codependent partner to meet those needs. A narcissist seems a dedicated, charming partner, all the while adjusting the emotions of their companion. One of the most convenient ways that they can successfully manipulate their partner is by utilizing words, "I like you." This is something that the codependent companion frantically wishes to listen to as well as requires to hear to really feel validated. However, what does the narcissist mean by that? "I like that you like me." A narcissist is just efficient in loving themselves, and so they enjoy to be worshipped and adored by others. Among the important things they indicate when they say, "I enjoy you," is that they enjoy that the various other individual is liking them, which their codependent partner is making them the emphasis of their life, since that means that the narcissist can remain to focus on their very own life, too. "I enjoy that I have power over you." If there's something besides themselves that a narcissist likes, it's having power over an additional individual. They use that power to make the most of the high positive qualities in their companion while vocally as well as psychologically tearing them down. When they've removed somebody of their self-respect, that person comes to be much more hopeless to be validated by the narcissist that maintains them much more trapped in the relationship. "I love that you'll do anything for me, yet I do not have to do anything for you." Something else that a narcissist is a specialist at is decreasing their companion's assumptions of them while increasing the expectations of their partner. They avoid offering their companions the opportunity to bring up any concerns that are troubling them, which enables them to stay clear of being given hopes. Subsequently, they inevitably bring up their partner's weak points as well as their demands to make sure that they will be satisfied. "I like that I can keep your focus on my discomfort and off your own." While this type of narcissist can see the discomfort that their codependent partner is experiencing, they uncommitted regarding that pain and instead work hard to make sure that their partner continues to concentrate 100% on them. Among the ways they do this is by acting as though they lack self-worth as well as declaring that they are not liked, appreciated, or appreciated sufficient. "I enjoy that you make me look good." Narcissists aim to show up better than every person else around them, and one of the methods they can do that is by having a person at their side, someone attractive that worships them. They don't think about their codependent companion as a human being with sensations of their very own, but as a thing, something they can possess that increases their condition similarly a grand auto or residence would. Anybody that may remain in a relationship with a narcissist needs to go out ASAP, since it is not a healthy and balanced environment to be in. However, the longer they remain, the harder it is to venture out due to the way the narcissist functions to maintain them trapped as well as weak. Therefore, a person seeking to get out of a relationship with a narcissist will certainly need aid from family and friends, as well as potentially even police. A narcissist appears to be a committed, romantic companion, all the while manipulating the feelings of their companion. If there's one thing besides themselves that a narcissist enjoys, it's having power over an additional individual. When they've stripped a person of their self-respect, that person ends up being even extra hopeless to be validated by the narcissist, who maintains them also a lot more entrapped in the relationship. Something else that a narcissist is a professional at is lowering their partner's assumptions of them while raising the premises of their companion.